In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Google Drive. Whether you're freeing up space or just tidying up, managing your Google Drive storage is a skill worth mastering. Let's dive right in, and by the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to handle your files with confidence and ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once your browser is open, type in drive.google.com into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see all your files neatly organized. Now take a moment to browse through your list of files or use the search bar at the top to find a specific file you want to delete. This search feature is powerful and can filter files by name, type, or date, making it easy to locate what you're looking for. After you've identified the file you wish to remove, simply move your cursor over it. You'll notice it gets highlighted, and a small checkbox appears on the left. Click on this checkbox to select the file. If you find more files that you want to delete, hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac while selecting additional files. This will allow you to select multiple files at once and expedite the process. With your files selected, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small trash can icon. Click on it. A pop-up message will ask you to confirm the deletion. Press OK or Delete. Your files are now sent to the trash. However, note that this doesn't yet free up storage space. To permanently remove the files, click on the trash label on the left-hand side of the Google Drive interface. Once in the trash folder, you'll see all the files you've just deleted. To empty this folder permanently, click on the drop-down menu next to Trash at the top and select Empty Trash. Confirm that you want to do this, and voila, your Google Drive has been successfully cleared up. And there you have it. Deleting files from Google Drive is an easy task, but going through these steps ensures that you manage your storage effectively, keeping your digital workspace organized. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to comment below and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.